This question belongs to Aptitude subject and was asked in GATE CSE 2014 SET-3. So the question states, the gross domestic product GDP in rupees grew at 7% during 2012 and 13. So during the year 2012 and 13, if initial GDP was X, then it grew at the rate of 7%. Okay. For international comparisons, the GDP is compared in US dollars after conversion based on market exchange rate. During the period of 2012-13, the exchange rate for USD increased from 50 to 60. So exchange rate was 50 per USD and it increased to 60 per USD. And this 7% is based on INR or rupees. India's GDP in USD during the period 12 to 13 is, it increased by what ratio in terms of USD? If it increased by 7% in terms of rupees. Okay, so let us assume that initial GDP is X rupees. So what is it in terms of US dollars? See, it is given that it was 50 US dollars, 50 rupees combined to 1 US dollar. So rupees 50 equals to 1 US dollar. So X rupees equals to 1 US dollar divided by 50 rupees into X. So it equals to X by 50 US dollars. So this was our initial GDP, X by 50 US dollars. Now it is given that new GDP is, what is new GDP in terms of rupees? In terms of rupees is, it increased by 7%. So it is X plus 7% of X. So it is equals to 1.07x. So what is this in terms of rupees? So 1.07x in terms of rupees will be, but this we need to consider after the increase. So after the increase, it is 60 per USD. So you can say 60 rupees equals to 1 US dollar. So what is 1.07 x rupees? It is equals to 1 by 60 into 1.07x. So it is equals to 1.07x by 60 US dollar. So initially it was x by 50, then it increased to this. We need to find the percentage increase. So how do you find the percentage increase? So percentage increase equals to percentage change is equals to, what is the new GDP in dollars minus old GDP in dollars divided by old GDP in dollars into 100. So what is new GDP? It is 1.07x by 60 minus old GDP is x by 50 US dollars divided by old is x by 50 into 100. So it comes out to be, if you will solve it, then you will get over here taking LCM as 6000, you will get minus 13x divided by x by 50 into 100. So it will come out to be minus 1300 by 120, which is equals to minus 10.833. So to nearest integer it is minus 11, minus 11%. Minus indicates a decrease. As when we get minus, so we get minus when the new value is lesser than old value. So there is a decrease of 11%. So decreased by 11%. The answer to this question is option D, decreased by 11%.